I do see a floor around 69.70, so I would be extremely surprised to see any further downward spiral in crude prices. So I think OPEC Plus can keep its powder dry for the time being. It's really the tariff tantrum right now, which we're seeing unfolding in a huge sell-off in the stock markets as well. We were just talking about it offline. And really, the oil market's not having very many convincing, tangible other fundamentals to look at. Is basically just going in lockstep with the sentiment around all the other risk assets. Sean, I do see this as a sort of game of chicken now between investors and the Trump and Trump administration officials. Of course, we had over the weekend, as you mentioned in your headlines as well, Trump refused to rule out a recession in the US. I think that made a lot of investors hit panic buttons yesterday. And it seems overnight, with a further slip in all the US stock market indices, the Trump administration officials have doubled down. They're saying that the animal spirits in the stock markets are not quite reflective of the optimism and positivity they are hearing from the business business leaders in the US. So where does that leave oil? I think pretty much remaining tied at the hip with the sentiment in the financial markets. Really have to see who blinks first and in this because I think the investors are giving a big thumbs down to Trump, but he's in no mood to listen.